Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce this Italian name, as well as how to say more interesting names from football and names from Italy as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it in Italy? It is said as Calcio Storico, Calcio Storico, also known as Calcio Fiorentino or Calcio Storico Fiorentino, Calcio Storico. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names from Italy and names from football whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, because this was an early form of football. Anyhow, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.